Understanding Sweat It Out, a phrase in the English language. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, sweat it out. This might sound a bit strange at first, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it effectively in your conversations. So, let's dive in and decode this interesting English phrase. Sweat it out is an idiomatic expression in English, but it doesn't literally involve sweating. Instead, it's used metaphorically to mean enduring a difficult or stressful situation with patience. It can imply waiting for a challenging or uncomfortable situation to resolve itself. For example, if someone is waiting for the results of a crucial exam, they might say they are sweating it out. To understand this phrase better, it's helpful to know where it comes from. Historically, sweating it out referred to the practice of dealing with illness or discomfort by sweating in a sauna or steam room. Over time, it evolved to mean enduring any tough situation, not just physical discomfort. Let's see how this phrase is used in daily life. Imagine your friend is anxious about a job interview. You might tell them, just sweat it out, you've done your best. Or, if you're waiting for some important news, you might say to yourself, I just have to sweat it out until the email arrives. A common mistake learners make with this phrase is using it in the wrong context. Remember, sweat it out is used for situations that involve waiting or enduring. It's not suitable for situations that can be actively changed or controlled. There are similar phrases in English like ride it out or wait it out. These also imply enduring a situation, but without the same connotation of stress or discomfort that sweat it out carries. And there you have it, everything you need to know about the phrase, sweat it out. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is all about practice, so don't hesitate to try using sweat it out in your daily life. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful English language tips. Happy learning!